I've been with Compass for 8 years. I started out as an executive chef, moved into a director role, went back to being executive chef, and now I'm a senior executive chef at Missouri State University. Pay is great. It's competitive. There's a lot of opportunity for growth, and the quality of life, I'd say second to none. I've worked in a lot of different environments. I've worked corporate, I've worked private. Quality of life is probably really important. I have a family, we have a farm. I'm able to farm full-time and still work here. There's a lot of time where we get to spend kind of building our lives and have a good work-life balance. That's important. The great thing about the Compass family and Chartwells in general is that they allow you to cultivate and bring your skill set to the table, and we incorporate that. And so for me, local food's a passion. I'm able to source and pilot and bring in local food. Sometimes there's some restrictions in other companies. Chartwells is really loosening the reins. They see the food trends. They're able to accept those food trends, and they wholeheartedly believe in them. And so we're able to just change the culture of food, starting from higher education. There's nothing worse than feeling like you have nowhere to go. And so I think it's important for me because I can always count on the fact that there's going to be opportunity for me, for my family, and for passions that I have, as opposed to feeling like I have to fit in someone else's box. I'm able to be an individual. I'm able to bring my skills, the things that I want to grow in. They allow you to tailor make your career. I don't know where you can find that, I gotta be honest.